Life goals. We all have them, but what about achieving them? Bajaj Allianz Life Income Assure helps policyholders achieve their life goals by providing them with a guaranteed monthly income. Let's take a look at how the plan works. Bajaj Allianz Life Income Assure gives individuals the flexibility to select their own guaranteed monthly income, premium payment term and life variant. On payment of the premium for the chosen premium payment term, the policyholder stands to receive a monthly income for a period of 12 years. They also receive a maturity benefit at the end of the policy term. Let's take an example of a guaranteed monthly income of 3,000 rupees. A premium of 31,788 rupees per annum for 12 years would provide a monthly income of 3,000 rupees for the next 12 years. As well as a maturity benefit, the guaranteed monthly income can be used to support children's education, retirement, or simply as a secure second income. Whereas the maturity benefit can be used for life's big expenses. In case of death in the 8th year of the policy, the unfortunate death of the life assured under the income variant, any vested and terminal bonus payable will be paid immediately to the nominee, and a sum assured of 144 times the monthly income will be payable in monthly installments for 12 years. Bajaj Allianz Life Income Assure offers additional rider benefits at a nominal extra cost. Policyholders are also eligible for tax benefits. Bajaj Allianz Life Income Assure offers lower premium rates for female lives and high sum assured rebate. Bajaj Allianz Life Income Assure secures your future with a guaranteed monthly income, allowing each policyholder to plan any life goal with absolute confidence.